G'day, I'm Dave from Rain Harvesting, and today we're going to show you how to install your Leaf Eater Stram rain head. The Leaf Eater Stram comes in a range of different sizes and configurations to suit your rainwater harvesting system. No matter what version you have, the installation process is exactly the same. The first step to installing your rain head is deciding on your installation location. So this needs to be on a vertical section of downpipe, and one thing you need to keep in mind is that if you're installing onto a wet or charged system, you need to position the bottom of the rain head at least 500 millimeters above your tank inlet. This will allow enough head pressure in the system to push the water through your pipes. So after that, you're going to want to cut your downpipe at a position where you want the lower section of your rain head to sit. So with the bottom section of the downpipe cut, you're going to need to grab your Leaf Eater Stram rain head and size up where you're going to cut your upper section of downpipe. The easiest way to mark this out is by using your Leaf Eater Stram rain head as a guide. So if I'm using the Leaf Eater Stram with the original cover, I'm just going to position this on the rain head here, about where the bottom of my rain head would sit, and I'll mark the top section of downpipe here. Just keep in mind that you want to allow enough space for the top cover of your Leaf Eater Stram rain head to slide up and down that upper section of downpipe. If you're using the shield cover on the Leaf Eater Stram, you want to cut the top section of downpipe at an angle to match the screen, offset about 30 to 50 millimeters. This will allow for the best performance of your rain head. So now we've cut both of those pipes, the next thing you're going to want to do is just maybe deburr the edges just to make sure they're nice and neat, ready for installation. So now you're ready to install the body of the rain head. So the easiest way to do this is to remove whichever cover you're using. You can keep the screen in place, take it over to the bottom section of downpipe and just lower it into position like that. Just note that you don't need to use any glue at this stage. There's no glue required for any part of this installation. Grab your cover and you want to angle it in and slide it up the top section of downpipe like this. After that, just lower the cover into position, making sure that the bottom skirt is seated fully around the edge of the screen and the body. And that's it, your Leaf Eater Stram is installed and ready to use. Thanks for watching.